Hi my loves, welcome back. So this is my annual what I got for Christmas video. I film this every year for you, and this year I thought I'll be super casual. I'm actually in my PJs. This last week I've kind of been in my PJs a lot and just chilling. I hope all of you had a wonderful festive season celebrating friends and family. We hosted this year, and you guys know I have a huge family, so it was so much fun. There was like 30 people at our house and I just love it. And also Happy New Year. I can't believe we are in 2024. I hope this year brings us even more happiness, joy, good health. And yeah, I'm excited to see what this year has in store for all of us. So yes, very casual Mel in her PJs, no makeup, but it's just been so nice just to veg out a little bit these last few days. And I have taken some time off because hubby's got some time off, and we've just been spending time with the family, which has been so nice. But anyway, let's get started with what I got. I got some beautiful gifts from my beloved family and friends. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start off with this gift here, and this is from one of my really good friends, Loy, and we met up for dinner and I love catching up with her. She's actually one of the friends that I met through Instagram, and I cherish her so much. So anyway, we had dinner and she got me this, and she definitely knows me very well. So in here she got me this Dior set. Look at this luxe pouch. How cute is this? And inside, I've actually seen this a lot on Instagram and I'm wanting to try it, so it was perfect that she got it for me. This is the Hands, Lip and Body Balm. So I've been wanting to try this out, which is perfect. And also is one of the products I use heaps anyway, which is the Dior Lip Glow, which I've pretty much run out. So it's perfect timing because I do need some replenishment. So how sweet is that? I love, you know, I always think Dior does the best packaging, but this is so cute. I've seen people like turn this little pouch into like a bag, but I'll just be using it as a little makeup pouch, but very luxe. And yeah, the best thing about our catch-ups is that we always drink Prosecco and we try different cuisines, and I just love that. I love our friendship and I really appreciate it so much, babe. And then what my bestie got me was something a little bit different this year. And as you can see, I've got the Christmas tree behind me, and we've had this Christmas tree for like 10 years and always sort of like the same decorations. And what she actually did was we went shopping and we did a little bit update. I didn't want to change all our decorations because a lot of the decorations have sentimental value and they're still beautiful. But my bestie helped me pick out some things and see all these sort of like branches coming out. We went and it was just really fun going shopping for the Christmas tree. So it wasn't like buying all new decor, but just things to add texture to it. And I really love how it turned out. So she paid for a lot of those things, and just the suggestions. She helped me with my tablescape, which when everyone came over, they loved our tree. And little things like, it was fun, the whole family and I, she goes, you should really go pine cone hunting. So we went and picked pine cones that had dropped to the floor. It was really cool. So we've got real pine cones in the tree. So sometimes with Christmas, you don't need all new decorations. You can just buy some bits and pieces and add to it. And I love how the tree turned out. Don't you guys think it is beautiful? So that's what we did, and that's what she got for me, which is, I think, a gift that keeps on giving, because every year I can sort of do this or I can add to it, and she's just given me so many great ideas. Next is a couple of gifts that the partners that I work with gifted me. First are these silk PJs, which I've been living in. You guys know that I work with Loose Silk and I have a collab with them. If you want to see all the creations I've done, I still have my discount code, I'll link it below, but they have silk PJs and I love PJs. I mean, I sleep on a silk pillowcase anyway. So I love these PJs, and they're in green. So really comfy. So I was really appreciative that they just sent that to me. And also, Suasu, which I've also worked with before, sent this to me. And this is a product I use every day and I've recommended to you guys before. And in here, so they just gave me like a little note, which is really sweet. I've already opened it up. And in here is one of my favorite skincare products. And this product is their best-selling product. and it is the Suasu First Care Activating Serum. So if you haven't tried this, I highly recommend it. It's like the first step that I use in my skincare every day. And so I've gone through bottles of these. Like if I did an empties video, you would see lots of empty bottles of these, and hubby really loves it too. So Suasu is a Korean luxury skincare brand. And I remember when we were in Korea, we even visited their flagship store. Just so beautiful. So yeah, this iconic formula, I think this is their 6th generation upgrade. So just more regenerative ginseng technology power. I don't know all the details, but I just know that it works and definitely has helped with anti-aging and my overall skin health. Okay, let's move to what my siblings got me. Again, if you guys don't know, I'm the oldest of 7. I love having so many siblings, not so much when I was younger, but last year they didn't get me this, but it's sort of like a running joke because they know that I love this. And from the box, you probably can tell. So they always sort of put into something like this. I have been cutting down on these, but this one, they're like, we have to get for you because it's in green. So this is a Vert Criquet Pegasus or Pegasus Rodeo. I especially love the single colored ones, and I have a Vert Criquet bag, so it's going to go perfect, but it will also go on my other bags as well. It'll go with natural colors, and I just think it's so cute. So that is from all of my siblings. And then from my parents, gosh, my mom and dad really spoiled all of us this year. And remember how I told you for my birthday, my mom got me a yellow sapphire ring, and I told you I've been getting much more into gemstones. You guys also know that last year I finally added the gorgeous Oyster Perpetual watch in the size 36 in the candy pink. So my mom's really into colored gemstones, and she got me this beautiful ring, and it matches my Rolex watch. So this is what it is. It is a morganite ring. I'm still learning all about colored gemstones. Let me know if you guys like colored gemstones as well. I think I should research more into it because I'm really loving, I've been wearing my mom's yellow sapphire ring, and this is just so beautiful. She actually designed it herself. Along the sides, there's all diamonds, and the center stone is actually around 4.5 carats, but it's a German fine cut, and it's in the beautiful like cherry blossom pink. Like with morganite, with stones, there's different levels as well, but it's in a beautiful oval cut. And don't mind my nails, okay, because these are my Christmas nails, so they don't exactly go, but you can see with my watch and my ring, it is just such a beautiful match. And I know the oval shape has been so popular. A lot of people are choosing the oval shape for the engagement rings. That would make like a beautiful engagement ring as well. But I just love that I can wear it with my watch. I mean, I could wear it on my 4th finger, but I could also wear it on my index as well. And yeah, I just love exploring new gemstones. So that is from my mom and dad. Yeah, I love my fine jewelry, so I thought this was such a beautiful gift. She did also gift my sisters other different sort of jewelry as well, all sort of tailored to what she thought we liked. And I thought that was just so much effort. And yeah, this is going to go to Miss S as well in the future. And then with what the kids got me, I just told them, honestly, I just want to spend time together. But they did still get me something little, and I just appreciate it because it is so handy. And again, it shows that I pay attention to what I said. So Miss S actually got me 20 hangers, white hangers with gold tips, which is something that I've been looking for. So she went online and ordered it, which will be great because sometimes, you know, when I'm doing a clothing haul, I just wanted new hangers. So these are like very aesthetic and just perfect. And with Sunshine, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not great at washing my car and doing all that. So he bought me this car package where I can get my car cleaned. So nothing better than a clean car, right? And so those 2 gifts were really nice. And also Miss S updated for my birthday, she made a Chino and Chai album. She just updated it with new pictures of Oh, Chai, hi. That's Chai. She's like, I called her name. And that album is just another gift I really cherish. Both hubby and I cherish. It's actually a gift for both of us because you just add to it. And I'm kind of old school like that, where I still like to flip through albums. And yeah, you know how much I love my little darling kitties. You guys know I did quite a lot of damage in Hawaii. If you haven't seen my last video, you would have seen my very big Hermes haul. So yes, I have her out again. This is my first alligator Kelly. And so this was a big Christmas gift from me to me. So I felt like, no, I'm really happy with this. I've just ended the year on a big, big bang. I love it so much. Thank you so much for all your name suggestions. Oh my goodness, that video, I was just so happy to see that you guys love this alligator beauty as much as I do. For those that didn't watch the video, yes, I reveal all the prices and the ratio which I had to spend to get this bag, because with Hermes, you do need to spend to be offered a bag most of the time. Of course, there are exceptions, but just quickly, this is a Kelly 25 in Baton in alligator, and this is one of the top sought after colors, so I was wrapped that I got it, and I just happened to have a matching Rodeo Pegasus, which is perfect. Now I just need to find a twilly for it. So yes, that was a gift from me to me. And then, because with all the Christmas sales and everything like that, for those that follow me on Instagram, if you haven't, this is my Instagram account, I actually worked with Louisa V. Aroma on a campaign, and I used my own discount code because I've been after these, so I got these at such a good price. So this is not, I guess it's just like a post-Christmas thing. I thought I'll include in this video as well. But these are one of my favorite shoes from Roger Vivier. And I got the Trompette Pumps in this gorgeous dark burgundy wine color. So I own these in the taupe, and I love them. They are so comfortable. Great heel height, like 17 millimeters, and I don't own any shoes in this color. I just love this deeper shade of red, and I think I got them for like, because I got an additional 15% off, and it was already like 30 or 40% off. So I saved like half price on these, which is a great deal. They're just really, really classy. Again, if you're looking for a really comfortable pair of designer heels, check out Roger Vivier. And then let me show you the couple of gifts I got hubby. I forgot to mention what we got the kids is that we are going to go furniture shopping because they have wanted a new office. So we're going to deck them out with a new office, and that is what they specifically requested. So we're going to choose it all together. So that was their Christmas gift that hubby and I got for them. But for hubby, I got something very cool. So it is Nike by You. I don't know if you guys know, but Nike has a service where you can personalize shoes. So I got the classic, it's very cool packaging. Oops. So it says Nike by You. It does take a few weeks to come, but it came just before Christmas. Hold on. So I got him the classic Nike Dunks, but I chose the color. So they have a template which you can choose from. As you know, hubby is a bit more conservative, more low-key. So I really like the gray and the white colorway. So just little differences, like, can you see this Nike tick? I just made sure that it was white all the way round. And then also you can personalize it. So at the back, there's 18. So 18 is a special number for both hubby and I. So I put that at the back. And yeah, it's just really, really classic. You guys know these are very comfortable. Hubby loves his Nikes. So now I feel like I want to personalize a pair for myself. So yeah, I think that's quite a unique gift. If you want to get someone that's a sneaker lover, something that's still a little bit different, you can personalize something for them, and it's actually the same price. And then I also got hubby a watch. So this is one of his favorite brands, Seiko. So Seiko is relatively affordable. They have some great watches, and they are really respected in the watch industry. So this watch, it's not for everyone. I would say it's probably more for, you know, Seiko enthusiasts or more diehard fans. So this is a Seiko Alpinist, but this one has the GMT function. And I know that he's been wanting, surprisingly, he doesn't have a watch with a GMT function. So it just allows you to track the time when you're overseas and everything like that. So this one, it's very, very classic. It does have the cathedral hands, which I really like. So it's got a touch of blue in it. and it is a limited edition. So for those of you that do want a Seiko, you actually can get them, whatever the RRP is. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price, because I got this for about 20% off. So I think the RRP for this was around 2,200 Australian dollars, and then I got 20% off. So it just depends on the authorized dealer. So hubby loved it. You know, he loves his watches and he loves Seiko. The first watch I got him was a Seiko, and yeah, he really liked this. Oh, another feature is that it's got 2 crowns, here and here, which is another unique feature of the Alpinist. Usually it just has the 1 crown. So yes, limited edition, and I'm just really happy that he loves it. And then finally, what hubby got for me. Oh, this was so cute. So I will insert a little clip, but hubby got me a cat pram. I've been saying that, you know, I like to go on walks sometimes, and the cats love going outside, but with rag dolls, they're not really outside cats. They are very docile cats in general. And so usually we just let them out in the backyard. So I've been saying, oh, I want a cat pram. Yes, I'm one of those crazy cat ladies. And he did research and he found one with 2 carriages, perfect size for Chino and Chai. And now we can take them on walks. Admittedly, we did get some weird looks, but I don't care. They love it. We've taken them for walks every day since we got the pram, and they know now we're like walkies, and then they're like, oh, so excited. So we were just walking with them and they're just chilling, and it's got these side panels that are see-through because not all of them have it apparently. Hubby was telling me about it. So I thought that was just the sweetest gift, and now I can take them on my walks. I'm obsessed with my cats. I said to hubby, I want another cat. And he's like, I think 2 is enough. But yeah, I don't know why I didn't add a cat sooner. So he got that for me, which I absolutely love. And then finally, this was an early sort of Christmas gift. So we got this in Hawaii, and it was like an early gift from him to me. And you would have seen me try this on, but I haven't opened it since because I was saving it for Christmas. And this was very lucky to get it, is the limited edition rosé necklace from, oops, let me just open it up. This is the lock necklace, and this is in the smaller size. It's got pink sapphires and it's in rose gold. So in Australia, when this did launch a few months ago, it sold out so quickly. So when we were in Hawaii, they just happened to get a single one in. It was just perfect timing. If you haven't seen my Tiffany vlog, or you've been interested in the lock collection, I try all the earrings, the bracelets, and also the necklaces on for you, just to show you the different sizes. And I also go through price, so link it above. But I'm just so glad I could add this because I wouldn't have been able to get it in Australia. So that is the final thing that I got, and all my presents I cherish and love. So that is what I got for Christmas. And also don't forget that, you know, in my last video, when I revealed my Kelly as part of a Christmas gift to you, don't forget to enter for the YSL wristlet clutch, because this is my Christmas gift to you. So you just have to enter in that video there. Just super simple entry. It's just a YouTube entry. So one of you will be getting this, and it ends in about a week and a bit by the time this video goes live. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do comment below and let me know what type of content you'd like to see from me this year. Do you still like the vintage shopping vlogs? Would you like something different? I'm all ears. So have a fabulous day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys. Here is an update of Chai and Chino. Look. Hi, are you guys friends? Are you guys friends? Do you want to go for walkies? Outside? You want to go outside? Yeah? Mwah.